Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. My name is Bridget and welcome to my kitchen. In today's video, we are making banana pancakes and this recipe is ideal for kids and adults as well. I will leave all the ingredients and their right quantity in the description box below for easy access. Into my blender, I will be adding all the ingredients. I'll add 2 eggs. And I'll add old-fashioned oats, or you can use quick cooking oats. Anyone that you have is fine. I'll add 1 banana. And I'll add some baking powder and a pinch of salt. And I'll be blending everything together into a smooth consistency. I'm not going to add any milk or water. This recipe is different from the usual banana pancakes because the banana is blended right into the batter rather than adding slices. They are also a great way to help kids eat fruits like banana, and the batter cooks perfectly. Into my skillet, I'm going to be adding some organic coconut oil. I'll allow it to heat up. I'm cooking this on medium heat on the stove top, and I'll be pouring my batter, pancake batter, about 1/4 cup or more, whichever size you want it, onto the skillet, and I'm just going to allow this to cook. This is the only way I'll get one of my daughters to eat banana or in a smoothie. So this recipe is really good, and I know your little ones or yourself will love it. So you are just going to cook this as you cook your normal pancakes. Allow to see bubbles, and once you see bubbles like this, you flip it over. If you are not too sure, you can just lift it up with a spatula and check beneath, and you see if it is okay to be flipped or not. And talking about flipping, oh boy, there is a stick on the other pancake, but it's okay. That is real life cooking. Sometimes things don't go the way you want it to go, right? But I'm just going to pick up that part and patch it right away, and it's going to be perfect. These pancakes were so amazing. They taste good and so filling and nutritious as well. So our pancakes are done. Once the other side is cooked, your pancakes are done. You repeat the same process until all your batter is cooked. So this is the end product of our pancakes. They look beautiful. I serve mine with some strawberries and some maple syrup. You can serve this with any syrup of your choice. And this is a great recipe for kids. It's real healthy and nutritious. And I want to say, my friend, if you like this video and you find it helpful, don't forget to give me a like, and also don't forget to please subscribe and press the notification button so you are notified anytime I upload a new video. And I will see you in the next one. Have a blessed day.